This is our course of Core Java. If you are new to programming and you want to learn Java, then there is one prerequisite, that is C programming language, which you should know before learning Java. If you want to learn Python, then there is no prerequisite. Okay, so let's get started. In this course, we learn the following topics. These topics are declaration and access control, object orientation programming, which is the base of Java, assignment operators, then flow control and exceptions, strings, input output, formatting and parsing, file handling and serialization, collections and generics, threads and synchronization, inner classes and enums. So friends, don't miss any lectures and be consistent. We'll not jump directly into coding. First, I will tell you some basics about what programming language is and why we learn programming language, how to install Java, and I will suggest you one editor in which you should start programming if you are beginner. So please don't try to use high-end editors because they give suggestions and there your learning stops. So use low-end editors and be consistent. Thank you.